Hi everyone! Today we will see how to scrape video details from YouTube, including all the meta information, description, comments, and more. Let's dive in! Make sure you've registered at serpapi.com to get your SerpApi key. Next, we want to export our SerpApi API key. Make sure to replace your actual API key that you get from our dashboard. Next, create a new main.py file on the same folder we exported the API key. We can include or import the API key with this variable. Of course, you can name it whatever you want. We will use the request package to perform the HTTP request. Make sure to install it with pip install request. And then we will prepare the parameter variables, or we call it params here. Include the API key. You can use the same method by exporting and importing the API key, or replace your actual API key string here. We will soon look into other parameters depending on the search engine. Next, we will perform the request.get itself, and then catch the response by search.json. And finally, to beautify the results on our terminal, let's import JSON so we can indent the response like this. We will use the YouTube video API from SerpApi. Let's set a new parameter called engine with the value YouTube video. And then we need the specific video ID, a video that we want to scrape. Let's say, for example, I want to take this video. You can get the ID directly from YouTube or using our YouTube search API. Let's run the request. And now you should see all the information about this video ID, which includes title, thumbnail, channel, views, likes, and all other information here. In the response, you should see a comment token if you want to scrape the comments from the video. You can also scrape a specific sorting method, for example, top comments or newest first comments. Let's say, for example, we want to get the default comment order. So we will add next page token here with the value we get from the response. Let's run this. And now we can see a comments array includes all the information about the comments. What if we have a video with a lot of comments in it? I'm going to take an example here alongside the next page token. And then let's see how many comments we get in the first response. Let's run the request here. We get total comments around 221, but actually the amount of comment that we get on the first response is only 20. So we still have a lot of comments that we haven't scraped yet. This is due to the pagination of YouTube, which allow us to scrape 20 comments per page. If you notice on the initial page comment response, you have something called comment next page token here. So this is a sign you still have more comments to fetch. So now I'll show you how to fetch the next page's comments. Here for visual only, I'll save the total comments, which will add on each loop and show you at the end the total comments. And here the next page token, we get it from the initial response. We will keep change the value on the loop. While we still have the next page token, we will grab the next page token here and put it on the parameters, call the search as usual, calling the search.json, getting the comments, and looking for the comment _next_page token again. So once it's not available anymore, we will get out of the loop and print the total comments here. We probably don't need the whole response, so I will comment it out, run the program. Now we have fetched all the comments here. So if you're confused that the original amount of the comments is around 200, it's because it also includes the replies of each comment. While using this method, we will only fetch the comments, not the replies itself. If you are interested on a specific replies, you can see on the each comment there is replies _next_page token key. You can grab this token and use it on the next page token to get the replies. That's it. I hope you all like it. See you on the next video. Bye.